wigs don't never look like this.
That's why I'm about to straighten it, bro.
Okay.
Damn! You're so mean!
No! Keep it real pretty. You never let your wigs look like this. So my dog take care of her shit.
Hey guys, so I'm basically gonna be doing a chit chat get ready with me, but it's basically a get ready with me doing my hair, not really makeup. My roommate's about to come in here, so maybe she'll be in the video a little bit. I don't know. But yeah, so my wig is looking real crazy right now. I'm gonna insert clips of my roommate talking crap. But my hair is looking real crazy right now. I washed it last night while it was on my head. I used Ghost Bond Premium or XO? Platinum. I used Ghost Bond Platinum, and she's still, you know, laying. These clips I got from Ross for like $2.99, and it comes with 4 clips. Just clipping my hair up and out the way. And now I'm going to brush through the bottom. Pretty sure you guys know how to straighten hair, so I don't think I need to really go into it. The heat protectant I use is the 450 Blowout from Sexy Hair. It adds a little bit of a shine to the hair. The setting I have my straightener on is 410. So pro tip when you're straightening your frontal or closure or whatever it is on your head, if you want to get it super flat and almost like natural hair like, you want to take smaller sections. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. I'm definitely taking smaller sections than I was before and just running my hands through the hair to make sure that it is flat. Before I continue on, because baby girl, we can't have no bumpy frontals. No. You definitely want to take your time when it comes to your frontal or your closure, because that is the part that most people will see. So you want it to look fleeky, baby, because as we saw earlier, I was looking a little crazy, and we can't be walking outside looking like that. Okay.
Purchase your tracks today.
Baddie on the track, boys.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Baddie on the track, boys.
Purchase your tracks today.
So, now that my hair is basically straight to almost my liking, I'm gonna go in with my golden hot comb. It's an electric hot comb. I have it on the setting 400, and I'm just going to smooth over my frontal area, bump up the front of the hair, and just get it to exactly where I want it to be. Okay.
Rock Legion. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Baddie on the track, boys.
Purchase your tracks today.
So if you've made it this far, I'm gonna assume that you like watching my hair videos, or you just maybe like watching me. And I just want to get some feedback and some like help from you guys. Like, do you guys want me to do more hair videos, or just keep doing like makeup and fashion videos? Because I definitely do like to do my hair a lot. I'm pretty basic when it comes to doing my hair, but I do love to do it nonetheless. So if you guys want to see more videos with me like laying my hair, doing my hair, curling my hair, or trying different things with my hair, just let me know down in the comments below. And if you've definitely made it this far, what I was trying to say before my mic cut off is I definitely love whoever made it out this far into this video, because this is more of an unorthodox video. It's actually about to end right here because I lost my end clip, but I love you guys nonetheless. And that is our finished look. Period, bit. Oh, I'm mad, but nonetheless, stay beautiful, my loves.
Pretty girl got her own wig. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own wig. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on